Your iPhone 17 lets you quickly copy images from the Photos app and paste them into folders in the Files app. This is a simple way to organize pictures or move them into specific folders for easier access. Here's how to copy and paste images from Photos to the Files app on the iPhone 17 series. First, open the Photos app. Find the image you want to copy, then tap it to open. Tap the three dots at the top right edge of the screen to open the menu. From the menu options, tap Copy. Alternatively, you can touch and hold the image until the quick menu appears, then tap Copy. After copying the image, exit the Photos app and open the Files app. Browse through your folders until you reach the destination folder where you want to place the image. Open that folder, then touch and hold an empty area until the quick menu appears. From the menu options, tap Paste. The copied image from the Photos app will now appear in the selected folder. You can also access and edit copied images from the Files app to the new Preview app. Repeat the same steps if you want to copy and paste more images from Photos to the Files app on your iPhone 17. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also consider watching our other videos to learn more useful iPhone tips you can use every day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.